Hi guys, very pleased to see all of you on the occasion of Friendship Day. First of all, I would like to wish you happy Friendship Day. And on the occasion of this, I'm going to make a first vlog, the first and foremost vlog. And this is the wishing of my daughters.
Yeah.
Babies?
Yes.
Yes?
Happy
Yes.
Friendship Day.
Yes. Are you ready to do a vlog?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. Are you so excited?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm enthusiastic.
So, yeah, I'm going to, in fact, we are ready to go to my village. So, there is a festival that is to be done in the part of a custom of our tradition. So, and we are heading over to our car and we are going by the car. Of course, this is the COVID situation and we are supposed to take the masks and everything. Have you got your masks?
No, we don't have masks.
Of course, I do.
Daddy and we going to farm.
Yeah, we are going to farm. My dears, I'm going to show you something which is very, very lively and that can connect to you very easily in the point of language.
Yes.
So I'll show you the things which are very helpful in our daily life. So let us go ahead and let us see how it's going to be for the first time. Really, I'm too excited. Are you excited much?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go to. Aishu, say something, beta.
Hi guys, we're going to our grandma's home
Yes.
Yes.
and we're gonna enjoy there.
It's been a very long time, in fact.
Yeah, it's
Since the
been 2 or 3
COVID-19.
months.
Yeah, it's been 2 months. We didn't go there. This is the first time. After 2 months, we are going ahead
Yeah.
to grandma's home and they are so excited to see their grandma. They like her very much.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Pachu, do you like your grandma?
Yes.
It's been very, very long time. But I think we are going to have fun. Of
Yeah.
course, we're not supposed to go, but we are forced.
Yeah.
We are forced to. We are
And
forced to
we
go.
are-
Promise to go to the mama's house.
Yeah. Then what do you do after going there? Why Pachu, beta?
We'll play.
We gonna enjoy.
What do you do over there? Shall we go to farm?
Yeah.
Oh, you have the mask, right?
Yeah.
But we
can
should
go
be
there.
we should be so careful with Amamma and Tataya, right?
Yes.
Because of course we are living in the town. We stay in town. In fact,
Yeah. We are
So
away
there-
from
yeah.
hometown right.
see National Highway 65 we are on. You can see it. Atanki to Northpilli. This is called as.
Yes.
So this is Telangana state. You can see the beautiful divider over here. It's with the beautiful flowers, the plants, and see over there they are farming. They're cultivating the land. Each and everything is so beautiful. Of course, it's looking so strange because after a long time we came out of the home.
Yeah.
But it's very green. You see over there, each and everything. The plants are very green since it is the June season.
Daddy and
Yeah,
mommy.
green color.
We didn't go out. We just locked like a jail.
In the home, you're jailed.
But
Yeah.
there are so many toys, right? It's not like jail.
Yes, they are enjoying a lot, in fact. But she's saying that she's jailed.
Yeah.
You are jailed.
My mommy and daddy is going out there. But we didn't go.
Really? You want to go now? Are you feel happy now?
Yeah.
You're feeling happy, right?
Yeah.
Yes. See, even in fact, you can't see much more vehicles on the road. So it's
Because
been
of
emptied.
Corona?
It's been evacuated due to Corona. Let the song be done. Just let the song be done. Change the channel. It's very beautiful. But this is National Highway, and there should be a lot of vehicles on the roads. There should be a lot of vehicles on the road, but on account of COVID-19, the people are not coming out much. See the rocks are there.
It's a temple.
Temple. This is temple called. What is the temple? It is called
Markandeya temple.
Markandeya temple. It's been, I think. So we have never been over there. We try to go.
And we are gonna make vlog there.
Yeah. See the plants over
Strawberry
there.
farms.
Each and everything after summer season. This is the cotton factory, which is located in between my village and my town. So it's been running.
And we want to go there, but the corona is came.
So you love Corona?
No.
You hate Corona? But you have no school, right?
It's good.
It's good. You love. Yeah. See the plants. It's covered with the greenery.
dream, Daddy.
Yeah. Fatu, do you love sitting in the home?
No.
You used to bunk the school in the last year, right?
But now.
But this year you are so happy for not having school, right?
Yeah. But we have homeschool.
So in
right?
fact, 3 months back I came onto this road and everything was dried up since it was summer season. But now it is greenery, you can see,
Because of rains.
because of rains, heavy rains. So there are a few vehicles. Yeah, you can see the heavy vehicles also. You can see the heavy vehicles. So you can see the Daba. So these heavy vehicles are coming from the Rajasthan, Punjab, from the different states. They travel from this state to
Yeah.
other states.
Nagaland.
Nagaland, yeah, there are a number of. What is this? Where is this vehicle from?
Haryana.
Haryana. This is from Haryana. So you can see a number of vehicles which run in between all the states. See, this is one of the bus stops, but the people are very less on account of Corona. So that's my student. That's my student staying over there. I have been a teacher.
Flowers.
Flowers. Do you like the flowers?
Yeah.
What type of flowers do you like? Fortune and Vaishu?
I like roses.
I
Like,
like pink roses.
like pink roses.
I
Yeah.
like jasmine.
Really?
too. Jasmine, lotus.
Really?
And I like lotus and lily.
Lily also you love? That's good. What do you want to say, beta? You want to say anything?
See the flowers there.
Okay.
That is not forest.
See.
Yeah, you talk it. Take it.
Wow. And what are you doing, guys?
Why should talk to
You're going.
Hey guys, we're going to our grandma's home right
You said
now,
already.
Yeah.
and we're gonna get enjoyed there. Are
Yeah.
you?
Are you excited? Huh? I'm too excited too.
See the people. Show the people over there. They farming. See, show them. See, they are farming. In fact, they don't get any sort of virus and bacteria since they are doing a lot of work in the fields.
Yeah.
In fact, Corona is there in the cities and the towns. These are the vulnerable places, like cities and towns, but the villages are not so. We are going to have a lot of fun over there. Just for one day, we'll be over there. We'll
Yeah.
come in the evening itself. We'll return. We don't stay for a long time because we are not supposed to give the trouble to our law. That means to their grandparents. Because and at the same time we want to make the precautionary things. We want to stay out of them. We won't be very close. कुछ तो कुछ बात करो. क्या बोलना चाहती है तुम?
हम तो हमारा दादी माँ के घर जा रहे हैं.
Okay.
कभी
और वहाँ दादी माँ दादाजी वहाँ अब हमारे के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं.
क्या वेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
ठीक है ठीक है. तुम लोग क्या करेंगे? हम जंगल जाएंगे ना?
हाँ.
या जंगल भी जाएंगे. Yes.
And we're gonna make a new vlog on.
Speak in
It's
Hindi
simple.
just. Yeah. Of course there is everything. अब बोलो बेटा जो कि चाहिए.
हम नदी में भी जा रहे हैं वहाँ. नदी
Okay.
नदी में भी जाके बहुत मजा करेंगे.
ठीक है. बोलो. अभी बोलो. पकड़ो.
हम फार्म में होके कभी हाँ कुछ देर
बोलो.
पहले हम नदी पे जाएंगे कभी.
Okay.
हाँ. और वहाँ हम बहुत मजे करेंगे.
डुबकी लग जाएंगे.
What the like much?
But
You don't like the homework?
yeah, that's too hard. I don't like maths too.
You don't like maths?
Yeah,
What do you like much?
She likes to play.
yeah.
That's so. Play and watch TV.
Yeah, she
Cartoon
combos with the toys, and they watch. My children watch TV. They watch cartoon channels, Hindi and English.
But Daddy keep news every day.
But I need to know each and everything what is going on.
Everywhere it's
Wait a second.
wait a second. Everywhere is Corona. That's why it's coming in news, and something is happening in the news day.
Yeah, of course.
And you are seeing news every day.
And but they are giving time to watch TV, right?
Yeah,
No, they don't.
They're working.
they're working. They're working. Shall we stop over there and talk to them? Yes. Can we go there? Yeah. If they are seen again, we will go there.
Yeah.
See the plants.
Take good plants.
Yeah.
Daddy, can you make a promise to us?
What is that?
First, will you keep a promise to us?
Of course, I do promise, my dear.
Okay.
Tell me what you want.
We want a doll, Barbie doll.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll bring it.
Barbie.
And we are going to enter our village, my in-laws village. It's very close to my town where we live. In fact, but we never went 2 months.
Yeah.
This corona is
safe.
so much bad rooting.
Really?
It's their birthday hand. They're enjoying themselves.
Yeah.
Why don't they go?
They're not going. We kill it, right?
Yeah, I know how
Yeah.
to
See,
kill
my
them.
dears, we're heading to our village. It's very close to town where we stay. This is just 20 kilometers away from my village, from my town. See, my wife is getting ready to with the sanitizer bottle. She applies to my hand. And these guys and my daughters, they are very lovely and beautiful always. And they love learning each and everything.
I don't like learning.
Yeah. See the
But he will cheat.
toll gate ahead. So we're going to have. So this is very close to. This is the toll gate, and we have the land over here. So the farm, my farm is there over here, and I'll show you very soon, my dears. I'll catch you back by showing my land, each and everything. Okay, catch you back. Stay on. Hi guys, welcome back. So anyhow, we came to farmland, and this is it was our farmland, and it was taken by the government in the part of SRSP canal, and it was our land, but it was taken by the government 10 years ago. So and I'm going to show you the cattle. Yes, and this is our land. See, my daughter is going, isn't it? It's very beautiful, right? See, it's very cool. The weather is so cool. Yes, it's very greenery since it is July season. Raining a lot. We can't walk actually because we are not habituated to this farmland much. Say hi, talk to them.
Hi.
What do you want to say?
Hi.
How is this?
See the water here.
Yeah, how is it?
Green. Yeah, the leaves are green. Yeah. This is
It's very fresh air. See, my in-law is asking us to come over there. He went very easily, but it's very hard to us for going over there because we're not habituated to walk over this land. And mainly, see this, the paddy bed. It is paddy bed. Can you see that? It's very greenish. It's very greenish. And I think this is to be transplanted again to all across the land. Paddy bed. So they are germinated, very tender plants, I can say. Just they are about 4 to 5 inches or 3 to 4 inches. That's it. Yes. Yeah, we'll go there. So everyone is engaged with the work, with the field work, because most of the people came out of the cities due to this corona, and they're all engaged in the paddy fields. Yes, see this paddy bed. This is called as the paddy bed, and they're all germinated. Of course, it's been I think some weeks back, and they should be transplanted and put all across the land again. So it takes 6 months, I think, to be ripened. So we'll get the paddy, and through which we get rice, right? You wanna say anything, Vaiju?
Hi. You're in my grandma's farm.
Isn't it yours?
Yeah, hard to.
Yeah, and
It's really beautiful.
yeah, you can see behind me. It's very green, very tender plants. that germinated. You can see the guava tree and papaya and banyan tree.
Daddy.
We keep on coming here. Yeah, yeah. See, they are just they are like just like waves.
Yeah.
They are just like waves with the wind, due to the flow of the wind. It's very cool. It's very beautiful. We are enjoying a lot, having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And guys, have a good day. I think so. And this is our farmland. And catch you back in the next video. And have a good day. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you. Bye.